Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to send dynamic videos in Lemlist through LinkedIn messages. Okay, so I have already started my campaign, and I'm here at this section where I need to, of course, create a message. So I'll keep it simple. I'll put, "Hey there, I recorded a video for you," okay, etc. And then I'll leave this as it is. Now, what I want you to do is to go ahead and click on, let me see, yeah, that's correct. Click on next step. And then if you go to your dynamic campaign, once you have all the videos generated, and not before, of course, you'll see that you'll have this button that says export generated videos through a CSV file. So you want to download that and then go back to your Lemlist campaign and import that here, okay? So CSV option, I'll click here and this is my file. Okay, I'll go for continue. So you'll see a lot of options. So don't be scared. You just need to, you don't actually need them all. So I'll, again, keep it simple. I do want first name, of course. In my case, I do want email, because I might probably just build something that goes both ways. That is LinkedIn messages and emails, okay? So company, I might need to, yeah, correct that custom variable because we do have one for company name. LinkedIn URL, yes, we need that. Background URL, you do not need that. Video link, yes, and I'll show you how. GIF URL, you do not need that, and you'll probably see a bunch more. Just uncheck them all. You don't need them whatsoever. So you just need the video link. That's the most important one, and of course, the LinkedIn. So you'll know, of course, to whom send a message or send a message to whom, right? So you'll go for continue now. You'll get this probably. So in my case, I'll keep it simple. I'll just disable that, then import. Okay, now you've noticed that in the video link option, I left it as custom. Okay, I didn't select anything at all. So now if I go back to sequences, um, stand here, go to add personalization, and just type video, you'll see that now I have this option. So this wasn't something that I added before. This wasn't here. This was automatically made by the system. Okay, so there's no need to create the variable the moment you put it as, or you leave that as custom variable. When you do the import, the system will automatically create this. Okay, so I'll just select this, and then we'll go for continue one more time for, well, next step in this case. And you'll see here that again, the variable doesn't, oops, sorry. You'll see that the variable video link doesn't come up, but because it's in the message, if I go to launch, you can see that the variable comes up right away. So that tells me that this is being mapped correctly. Okay. So that's all that you need to know. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.